The contact foot is the part of your nail gun that you press against the roof to release the safety prior to firing the gun. The metal contact foot will wear over time from rubbing against the abrasive shingles. The foot can be bent or cracked if the nail gun is dropped. Replacing the contact foot is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the contact foot spring. I'll insert a screwdriver between the spring's coils, compress the spring down to remove it from its mounting post. With the spring removed, now I can remove the contact foot. Now install the new contact foot. And replace the spring. And that's how easy it is to install a new contact foot on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.